That's right, folks. We're starting once again down the road to Euclid. We have a circle here, and this is Euclid Book 3, proposition number 22, if you were wondering. Alright, the circle starts at A, goes to D, goes to C, and goes to B. Okay, it comes all the way around like this. And then we're going to draw a parallelogram inside the circle. It starts at A, goes to B, goes to C, goes to D. And then Euclid says, I want you to draw a line from point A to point C, and I want you to draw another line from point B to point D. And then he says that if you were to add the number of degrees in angle ABC right here, and the number of degrees in ADC right here, you would get 180 degrees. Well, how are we going to prove all this? Well, we're going to take a look at three angles right now. First of all, CAB. That's angle number 1 right over here. We got angle ABC. That's the second one right over here. And we also got BCA, and that's this one right over here. And if you were to add this, plus this, you would get 180 degrees, and we know this by Euclid Book 1, proposition number 32. We also know by Euclid Book 3, proposition number 21, that's right, the very last one we did, that if you were to, now you have angle CAB, this angle right here is equal to angle BDC. Well, where's BDC? Well, here's B, here's D, and here's C. So this angle here is equal to this angle here. And this is by Euclid Book 3, proposition number 21. But we can also say by the same proposition that angle ACB, this angle right here, is equal in size to angle ADB. ADB. These two angles here are equal in size. In other words, if you were to add the number of degrees, if you were to have the number of degrees here and the number of degrees here, they'd be exactly the same. Alright, now, we know that angle ADC is the sum of BAC, this angle right here, plus ACB. Well, here's A, here's C, here's B. Okay? So the sum of these two makes up ADC. Okay? And we know this because this angle is equal to this one, and this angle is equal to that one, and if you add these two together, you're going to get the same sum as these two right here. Alright? So, basically, if you wanted to go right down the middle here, if you were to add the angles ADB and BDC, you would get the same amount as if you were to add angles CAB plus BCA. Okay? Add these two together, they'll be the same amount as adding these two right here. Boom. Now, if you were to add angle ABC right here to both ADC, add it to ABC plus this one here, ADC. So if you're adding ABC plus ADC together, you're going to get the same total as you would if you added ABC plus BAC plus BCA. And we already established that this angle here plus this angle here plus this great big angle right here, these three together total 180 degrees. So if these three together total 180 degrees, then if you were to add this one here to this one here, you would also get 180 degrees, which is what you were trying to prove in the first place. And you could prove this for all the little angles that you got in here. If you want me to go through this, just leave me a comment in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'm going to stop this proof right here. You've seen it for yourself. I will cover more in a future video, so stay tuned.